This is Johnny Hinsey, the art director with ENVE Composites, and I'm going to talk you through this ENVE custom road that we did for the ENVE Builder Roundup. We launched this bike in March of this year as a customizable full carbon bike that we make right here in Ogden, Utah in our ENVE facility. Now this particular bike was built for me, so it has my custom geometry and it features ENVE's integrated front end, which has the one-piece bar and stem and includes the Chris King Aeroset headset and also the integrated seat mast topper. All of these come standard with the ENVE custom road bike builds. On this, I chose to put an Ultegra group on it with ENVE 4.5 AR wheels and 35mm tires. And 35mm tires are the max tire width that you could fit on this road bike. So as for paint, since this bike was for me, I was able to have a little fun with the paint scheme. So when I was thinking of concepts, I started doodling and drawing and ultimately ended up on this concept, which is a space concept. As you look throughout the bike, there's elements of these little space creatures that I doodled and also custom ENVE font. I had a little fun with the handlebars as well. Basically, I put some controls and buttons on there, flight modes you could go into. These are basically modes that I think about when I'm riding. So anyways, as you look through the bike, you'll see some of these elements, and the colors I used on here were the Midnight Plum, which is what we offer, one of the 38 colors we offer, and a cyan to magenta harlequin color for the logos. With these harlequins, basically as you move around the bike and the light shifts, you see different colors pop from the paint. But yeah, this is the ENVE custom road bike and the space paint theme.